This is the Rexing V2, your roadside witness. V2 is a high-powered premium dashcam. With its distinct dual-channel design, you can capture detailed recordings of the road ahead and behind the wheel. Advanced image sensors with wide dynamic range allow the cameras to perform optimally, adapting to any light condition. Control how you record with single-channel 4K Ultra HD recording or dual-channel simultaneous 1080p Full HD recording. Each V2 lens possesses a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view, covering a far-reaching angle to give you a comprehensive picture inside and outside the vehicle. The sleek, discreet design allows the V2 to be mounted anywhere on the windshield, giving taxi, Uber, Lyft, and other occupational drivers a professional appearance while keeping them secure. Intuitive loop recording overwrites your unlocked oldest files, allowing you to continuously record without interruptions. The cutting-edge G sensor automatically detects collisions, auto-locking the current video on impact to ensure the most important footage is protected. Engineered for quality, designed for reliability.
Introducing the BlackVue DR590X series single and dual channel Wi-Fi dashcam. The quality you've come to expect from a BlackVue dashcam in a connected, compact design. Equipped with a full HD Sony Starvis image sensor, the DR590X captures clear footage even in the darkest of situations. The dual channel model records both front and back in full HD 1080 resolution, while the single channel model is capable of recording up to 60 frames per second, letting you capture critical fast-moving moments. Connecting your dashcam is easy with the built-in Wi-Fi. This allows you to use the BlackVue app to customize your settings and download videos right to your smartphone. The optional connectivity module unlocks BlackVue Cloud Lite for your dashcam. You'll be able to enjoy the added benefit of push notifications and remote access without needing an additional data plan. And the built-in voltage monitoring ensures that your dashcam stays powered without draining your vehicle's battery. BlackVue DR590X series. High-quality dashcam, simplified.
The 522GW features 1440p 2K resolution and even a polarizing filter to reduce glare and reflection. The 3-inch touchscreen makes setup so easy and is great for viewing back any of your footage. The My Nextbase Connect app allows you via a Wi-Fi signal to connect your phone directly to your camera on the go. Great for viewing and sharing your footage to the police, to your insurance company, or even to your friends. Nextbase Emergency SOS is our groundbreaking feature that is potentially a lifesaver. In the event of an accident and you are unresponsive, your phone will contact the emergency services with your exact location and even things like your blood type. The intelligent parking feature means that if you're away from your car and the camera detects a jolt to your vehicle, it will start recording the incident, making sure you miss absolutely nothing. Alexa built-in is an incredible feature that allows you to control your dashcam with your voice. Whether it's controlling your music, asking for directions, or controlling features of your dashcam. And with the My Nextbase player free to download to your computer, you can view, edit, and share all of your footage. And with our super accurate GPS, which refreshes 10 times every second, you'll be sure to have every single detail on your dashcam. So let's take a look at this in the car. It was really important to us that we made getting your dashcam in and out of your car as easy as possible. So our engineers created the click and go mount, and this is the only dashcam you will find this feature on. As we can see, installation is remarkably simple. And with our patented click and go mount, you simply install like so, and when you're ready to remove it from the car, you take it off. The install cable is very easy to install around your roof lining and then simply connect to your in-car power. We always recommend a Nextbase microSD card, and this particular model will support up to 128 gigabytes. The 522GW is compatible with all 3 of our rear view cameras. Our cabin camera that records everything within the vehicle itself. Secondly, it will support our rear view camera that uses a telephoto lens to record everything happening outside the back of your vehicle. And finally, our rear window camera that adheres to your rear windscreen and records all movement from behind your car. With our award-winning 522GW dashcam, you can ensure that you and your family are kept safe and you have proof in the event of any incident.
The open road is a place of freedom, of new opportunities, a way of life. But with that freedom comes a degree of uncertainty, and drivers can use all the protection they can get. Introducing the new SC Smart Dashcam series from Cobra. With advanced features like high-definition recording, enhanced night vision, and cloud video management that allows you to store, edit, and share footage from anywhere. SC Dashcams are ideal for anyone with a desire to drive smarter and safer. They're always looking out for the driver, on the road ahead, behind the vehicle, and even inside the cabin. Built-in G-sensors protect footage automatically before, during, and after emergencies to ease the process of insurance claims. And the Mayday notification lets you send an alert to an emergency contact in the event of an accident. The SC201 even offers an infrared LED interior camera for enhanced nighttime video. Plus, with the Drive Smarter app, drivers will have peace of mind with unprecedented control over their experience on and off the road. And connection to the Cobra community of drivers gives you access to more than 100 million real-time alerts of red light cameras, speed traps, and more. With an SC Dashcam from Cobra on your dash, your vehicle becomes smarter. You'll drive smarter, and it'll help keep you and your loved ones safer on the road.
Introducing your personal eagle eye on the road, the ALPINE Advanced Dashcams. Have you ever been in a car accident and could not prove that you did nothing wrong? We have the perfect solution for you. The new ALPINE Dashcams provide digital proof of your driving situation and includes additional data like GPS location, G-force, and driving speed. The ALPINE F800 Pro records in 1080p Full HD and features the Sony Exmor Starvis image sensor for excellent recording quality at night and day. The F800 Pro is also packed with cutting-edge technology to support you while driving.
Speed and red light cameras in 300 meters.
Speed Camera Alert warns you if you exceed the speed limit and approach a fixed radar camera. Lane Departure Warning notifies you if your vehicle moves out of its lane. And Forward Collision Warning helps to prevent or reduce the severity of a collision. The cameras will also surveil your car while parked.
Parking recording will now start.
If any impact by another vehicle is detected, the camera will store the video footage and you can review it on your smartphone. To view all saved video footage, use the ALPINE Dashcam viewer on your Mac or PC and watch your recorded videos synchronized with GPS location, crash sensor data, and driving speed. You can also extend your F800 Pro with an optional rear accessory camera. To see the full range of ALPINE Dashcams,
the Samsara AI Dashcam, a camera with artificial intelligence that analyzes road conditions and driver behavior to prevent accidents before they happen. Detect traffic violations and near misses, and proactively coach drivers with in-cab alerts. It's all made possible by unparalleled video quality, real-time voice coaching, and embedded artificial intelligence. All part of Samsara's complete platform for connected fleet operations.
Never miss a critical incident or a memory-making shot. With Rand McNally's GPS-enabled high-definition Dashcam 500. What makes the Rand McNally Dashcam 500 unique? Exceptional features. What can it do? Driving incidents are captured and saved automatically thanks to the Video Keeper feature and built-in G-force sensor. See something special? Hit the flashback button to save it. And don't worry if you missed something. The flashback feature saves several seconds or even minutes of video captured before you press the button. You can even capture still photographs while recording video. The Dashcam 500 connects wirelessly to your smartphone and has a free app for iOS and Android devices. Use the app to view the live video that's happening on the Dashcam. Pause, record, and delete videos on the Dashcam remotely. Change the settings on your camera. Download, view, and sort videos and photos, or file away emergency incidents and memories. And with the app, you can quickly and easily share photos and videos on social media, in an email, or in a text. And because the Dashcam 500 mount has GPS, you can replay your drive and view where you were on a map at the same time with Rand McNally map shots. Dashcam 500. Capture, share, document.